You probably played FPS games like Valorant or CS2, and at first, they're incredibly fun. But once you memorized every corner of the map, the excitement fades. So I asked myself, what if the map never lets you get comfortable? In this video, I will build a Roblox FPS game where the map randomly changes every few minutes, meaning no two rounds are ever the same. And also, Roblox released a new features that I really want to use. It's called procedural models. Instead of a developer having to manually place every object by hand, procedural models are automatically generated by a script. This is a huge game changer for us, because it means that the map doesn't have to be pre-built anymore. Every single round, the code builds a completely new map from scratch, making it truly random every time you play. To save time, I'm going to use a map called Crossroads as a base. Roblox recently released an update introducing a Roblox AI that can generate procedural models. So I'm going to test this by asking it to create a tree model. And here's the tree. As you can see, if I scale it, it will look different every time. And it works really well. Sadly, one tree isn't enough. But luckily, it's nothing a script can't fix. This script will create trees with random sizes across the map. To be honest, if I were to create a fully random map, it would either look extremely bad or be extremely hard to make. For this reason, I'm going to create spawn points where the trees can appear. However, if trees spawned at every single spawn point, the maps would all look almost identical. So I'm also going to randomize how many trees spawn each round. Here's the spawn system running for the first time. And as you can see, there's a tree at every spawn point, which is not great. But after some improvements, the number of trees that spawn is now completely random. So no two maps will ever look the same. I also forgot to show you the FPS system. I used a Roblox template to save time, but I had to make a few changes because some things were breaking for some reason. But enough of that. Let's make the map more interesting. Only trees would be a bit boring. So I'm adding rocks as well. Their spawn system works exactly the same way as the trees. And just like that, rocks are spawning and changing size randomly across the map. As for the floating tree in the background, we're going to pretend that's not there for now. Now that those are done, I thought it would be a fun test to see how well the AI could recreate the simple tower. I did not expect this. It was able to recreate the tower almost perfectly, and it even added the ability to change the height of the floors and size of the steps. After a while, I managed to update the spawn system so that the floor height and stair size are also randomized. I playtested the game with a few friends and found some bugs. Luckily, I was able to patch every bug except one. As you can see here, towers are spawning on top of trees instead of the ground. This happens because the spawn system worked through a list, placing trees first and towers second. Since trees are already occupying that space, the tower gets pushed upwards and floating above them. It's a bit tricky to fix, so I'm leaving it for now. So let's move on and create a round system. Every 2 minutes, the map will regenerate and players will be teleported to a platform in the sky, where they can look at the new map and prepare for the next round. Now that the game is almost ready, I'm going to add a shooting range to the spawn area. And here's the shooting range in-game. It's really simple, they are just mannequins moving from point A to point B and you can try to shoot them. If you want to try the game, you can click the link in the description. Sadly, it probably won't be available for a long time due to Roblox's new rule requiring a subscription to publish games. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!